Hi. This video will show you how to insert and delete rows and columns in LibreOffice Calc. I populated the 4 columns C, D, E, and F with random data. There are 2 ways how to insert or delete columns. One is to use the icons in the toolbar. The other way is to right-click on the worksheet, and use the pop-up menus. Deletion method number 1. Click on a cell in the column you want to delete, then click on the column icon in the toolbar. In the drop-down menu select Delete Columns. The content of the column will be deleted. If you have done the deletion by mistake, you can correct it with the undo icon or Ctrl-Z. Deletion method number 2. Right-click on a cell in the column you want to delete. In the pop-up menu select Delete, then delete entire columns. The column will be deleted. Reverse the deletion with Ctrl-Z or the undo icon. Insertion method number 1. Click on a cell, for example, in column D, then click on the column icon in the toolbar. In the drop-down menu select Insert Columns Before or Insert Columns After. A new column will be inserted, depending on your selection to the left or right of the column you clicked on before. Insertion method number 2. Right-click on a cell in column D. In the pop-up menu select Insert, then Entire Column. A new column will be inserted left of the column you clicked before. Now let us see how to delete and insert rows. Deletion method number 1. Click on a cell in the row you want to delete, then click on the row icon in the toolbar. In the drop-down menu select Delete Rows. The content of the row will be deleted. If you have done the deletion by mistake, you can correct it with Ctrl-Z or the undo icon. Deletion method number 2. Right-click on a cell in the row you want to delete. In the pop-up menu select Delete, then delete entire rows. The row will be deleted. Insertion method number 1. Click on a cell in, for example, row 4, then click on the row icon in the toolbar. In the drop-down menu select Insert Rows Above or Insert Rows Below. A new row will be inserted, depending on your selection above or below the row you clicked on before. Insertion method number 2. Right-click on a cell in row 4. In the pop-up menu select Insert, then Entire Row. A new row 4 will be inserted above the one you clicked on. These are the 2 ways of inserting and deleting rows and columns. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.